Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're unboxing the May 2022 Sacred Space Crate. Ooh, new moon. Woohoo, I'm so excited. Oh, as always, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. Here's the insert. I always set it aside because I like to be surprised at the contents. This is beautiful artwork. She has the moon movements, so you can kind of follow it through the month. Obviously I'm late unboxing this, so it's not super pertinent right now. Oh, this is lovely. I love this. This is a nice item for your Book of Shadows. Alright, beautiful. Love the stickers. I love the touches there. Lovely details. Alright, I got my bag for Daily Bombs right here. Oh, you gotta squish them down. Let's get some of these off the top. And we can see the contents a bit more, and we can try to minimize the mess, because I'm a messy Marvin. And part of my work here is trying to clean up my front room. Alright, so we have a beautiful smoke wand. Smells divine. Lovely, excellent size. We have, a Chickweed Salve. Very nice. So it has the name of the salve, what he's used it for, and the ingredients. The salves always are just really nice and clean and simple. Great for a natural medicine kit. Love that. Sinus Tamer Tea. Nice. Here's the ingredients, how to use it. I like when you have kind of like a little window into the tea and you can see what it looks like. New Moon Goddess Incense Sticks. Pretty. They're always a little bit sparkly. Ooh, and they smell really nice and fresh. We got a crystal here. Ooh, I don't know what it is. Oops. But I like the shape. It's a cylinder. Very cool. Nice. New Moon Ritual Candle. Oh, it's so pretty, and it smells delicious. I love the way this looks. Alright, we've got an oil here, I think. Let me see. This is... Ooh, oh! Affirmation Ink. Love it. That's a different type of item. I love that. Then we have our herb. Mullein. Actually, I have a huge mullein in the yard right now. Big old stalk. Alright, let's take these last two items out and kind of neaten up our area really quickly. Alright, and let's put things back in the frame. So that you can get an idea. This appears to be a journal. Looks like it's handmade. Oh, it says New Moon Affirmation Journal. It's a good size, pretty big, maybe 10 inches. Nice and thick, heavy. Oh my, that is beautiful. Wow. Wow. This is just absolutely lovely. I love it. Wow. All right. As the dark moon ends, the new moon starts to grow with light once again. It is the time for new beginnings. The new moon represents fresh starts. You can imagine that you have a blank canvas in front of you and you get to paint your future for anything and everything you desire in this life. In many ways, the new moon is a cosmic reset. Just as the moon seems to turn inward, so do we. The new moon is a perfect time for getting in touch with your inner self and gauging where you are and what you want with your life. What do you truly desire? What dreams have been planted in your heart? What goals do you want to achieve over the next 6 months? Do you possess any limiting beliefs that you want to realize? These are just some of the questions you can begin to ask yourself as you embrace the revitalizing energy of the new moon. All right, so we got the new moon affirmation journal. Zodiac signs. Oh, and they have zodiac signs on the cover. Very cool. The peacock feather quill is just absolutely beautiful. It's ethically sourced. They're colorful shed from male peacocks, and yes, male peacocks do shed them all the time. We have Affirmation Ink. It includes essence of lavender to help eliminate self-doubt and negative energy. We've got the New Moon Ritual Candle, which is just lovely. Colored gray by using mica powder, filled with moonstone crystals for its ability to connect us to the moon, scented with lavender to release self-doubt and to clear any negative energy. Love it. Sandalwood as well. Mullein leaf in the bottle. And here's some information about mullein. Astrophyllite with garnet crystal. It's very beautiful. The marriage stone promotes fidelity, truth, and complete honesty. French lavender smoke bundle smells delicious. New moon goddess incense sticks. Oh, red apple, succulent peach, lily, jasmine, clove, spice, tonka bean, and warm vanilla. Smells delicious. Sinus tamer tea. Chickweed salve. This Book of Shadows page, and the moon in the zodiac calendar. Beautiful. Absolutely love it. This is a winner box for me. Just amazing content, really yummy smells, good stuff that I'm going to be able to put to use in my practice, and just stuff I haven't actually seen anywhere else. So I'm really excited about that. This is again the Sacred Space Crate for May 2022. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.